Now, I know that some of you have acquired a lifestyle where you require two incomes. I will always provide for you. That's why I'm doing this. I know a lot of you are going to have to move. I'll open up the doors. You need to be working on your marriage so that both of you have peace with these decisions that I am commanding you, and value the love of God being showered on you right now. Your life wasn't built on the rock. For those that your life was built on the rock, you're experienced. So this isn't a shocking new transition for you in your life. This is a progressive elevation from glory to glory. For you that did not build your life on the rock, I am rebuilding your life for you. I love you.